Google's launch window for flagship Pixel devices is traditionally in the fall, which is still a couple of months away. But before that, we are expecting Pixel 4a to be launched. Whenever the announcement date of a phone is only months away, there is a plethora of information available on the web. However, due to the pandemic, there is a lot more confusion going around if Google will follow their regular release window or go for a delayed release date. Anyways, without further ado, let's get into the details right now on the Google Pixel 5. Hey everyone, I'm Chaser and you are watching Tech Square. Google Pixel 5 has a big challenge before it. When the Pixel 4 launched last year, everyone loved what the phone promised, but were soon disappointed as the phone fell short in some other areas. Also, Pixel 5 will face increased competition in a key area where they have always stood out. Pixel phones are hailed for their photo capabilities, but with Samsung's S20 Ultra and Apple's upcoming iPhone 12 is expected to arrive before Pixel 5 and has a tough challenge ahead of it. Google drastically switched up the overall design of its flagship phone with last year's Pixel 4 series. The company changed the overall shape of the phones, removed the rear-mounted fingerprint sensor, while completely overhauled the camera module. It was a significant shift for the company, and to assume that Pixel 5 will have an updated form of the Pixel 4 makes sense. However, this may not be the case as rumors are circulating that key members of the Pixel team were not too happy about the Pixel 4 even before the phone hit the shelves. So keeping that in mind, Google Pixel 5 could look a lot more different from Pixel 4. There is a possibility that Google could abandon the solely radar system, which would change the display layout of the Pixel 5 dramatically. However, the redesigned camera module is likely going to stick as a means to differentiate the Pixel smartphones from other devices on the market. Usually, CAD of upcoming smartphones hit the internet months before, so we can expect a few weeks we might come across some rendered images of the Pixel 5 lineup. Until then, there is no way for us to know what the design of the Pixel 5 lineup will be. However, among all the uncertainty, there are two things we can be certain about. The first thing is that the new Pixel device will come with latest version of Android. Meanwhile, the second thing that we are sure of is, unlike all the previous Pixel devices, the Pixel 5 lineup will not feature the latest Qualcomm 800 series processor. Instead, several Google Pixel 5 leaks suggest that the phone will come with either the Snapdragon 765G or 768G chipset from Qualcomm. This move makes sense as Google most likely wants to keep the cost down for the Pixel lineup. A flagship smartphone featuring Snapdragon 865 processor will have a hard time keeping the price down to $1,000. Thus, going for the Snapdragon 765G or 768G is a smarter choice as it would allow Google to keep the cost down while delivering capable enough processing power and 5G compatibility. This way, the Pixel phones would be more appealing to budget-conscious consumers as well. Apart from the processor, we don't think Google would downgrade anything else. So we are expecting the phones to feature at least 6 GB of RAM and at least 64 GB of storage. Although many have been asking for more storage from Google for so long, so the base storage could start from 128 GB storage space. We can also expect at least a dual-lens rear camera module. However, an ultra-wide could join the club as well. The phone should also feature all the other features that are present on the Pixel 4 series, like the wireless charging, an IP68 rating, etc. It's also safe to assume that the Pixel 5 will feature increased battery capacity than the Pixel 4 lineup. Even though Pixel 5 is only a few months away from the release, there is a lot of info that is still missing. However, we have a strong reason to believe that the price for Google Pixel 5 would start from $699. As for availability, we are not quite sure about the date. However, the release date for Pixel 5 will obviously depend on the release date of Pixel 4a, which was previously rumored to be available on store shelves from June. If the phone comes out by next month, we can expect Google to stick to its original timeline for Pixel devices. Anyways, that's all we have for today. If new information surfaces, we will certainly let you know. If you like this video, then hit the like and share with your friends. Comment down below to let us know your thoughts on the Pixel 5 devices. Subscribe to watch more videos like this from us and press the bell icon to get notified for future uploads.